The West Sumatra provincial government is focusing to mitigate the flood that struck Pesisir Selatan Regency. Governor Mahyeldi also instructed authorities to scour all flood-affected locations in the Regency. Authorities are taking various measures, such as accelerating evacuation and aid distribution, aside from setting up shelters. They also attempt to repair damaged public facilities. The governor also said that several public facilities must be repaired immediately following the flood and landslide. According to data from the West Sumatra Disaster Mitigation Operation Command Center, the flood and landslide claimed 19 lives, 3 in Padang Pariaman and 16 in Pesisir Selatan, while 7 are missing. Furthermore, the disaster damaged 666 homes, 26 bridges, and 2 irrigation units. 113 hectares of farmlands were also affected. This is the condition of 5 fishing boats in Tubanan, Jepara, which were destroyed by strong waves in Bayuran Beach on Saturday. A flood also sunk and damaged several other boats. The disaster caused local fishermen to suffer losses nearing 1 billion rupiah.
Awalnya pertama kan hujan terus angin kencang. Jadi dari kali air kencang tuh. Jadi di situ nggak kuat nahan, patoknya itu lepas. Mau lepas kita minta tolong sama orang-orang yang terdekat itu. Ada 10 orang nahan talinya itu, nahan tali nggak kuat. Jadi lepas semua.
Kalau dihitung ada berapa perahu Pak yang rusak tadi?
Di sini 6 kapal, yang di sana 7 kapal.
The fishing boats were moored alongside several others on the riverbank. However, extreme weather and downpour caused the river to flood. See Today contributors reporting from Padang, West Sumatra and Jepara, Central Java.